Hi, I'm Colin with Mack Yacht Services, and I wanted to take a moment to say thank you to all of our Island Packet friends, family, and customers. We bought this yard in 2019 with a specific purpose of refitting and repairing Island Packets, and it has been a tremendous success. We have replaced chain plates in over 210 Island Packets to date. We've had our ups and downs through the economy and COVID, but we've added several new craftsmen to our crew that know exactly what we need in terms of our high standards and our commitment to customer service. Thank you so much for your support for Mack Yacht Services. Don't forget to check out our new website, islandpacketparts.com, where we have many parts to maintain and upgrade your yacht, and we look forward to seeing you soon.